Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see minimization techniques or methods to simplify Boolean equation. So first of all, we should know what is minimization technique. Actually, minimization technique is a technique which is used for simplifying or reducing the equation. Simplifying or reducing the equation means what? Whenever the equation, Boolean equation, we are just deriving from the truth table, then that time that equation may not be in a simplified form, right? So then that time we have to see that whether that equation can be simplified further or not, right? Or the size of the equation can be reduced or not. So that's why we can say that minimization technique is nothing but the simplification or reduction of the equation, right? So what is the need of simplifying or reducing the equation, right? Or why we are just reducing or simplifying the equation size, right? So the reason behind is that when we are just keeping the equation as it is, which has derived from the truth table, that may not have that may not have just a simplified equation. So if we are not having a simplified equation, then when we want to draw the circuit, then that time number of devices required for drawing that circuit will be more, right? Since your equation is not a reduced equation, right? So to reduce the size of the circuit or to reduce the number of devices in a circuit, what we have to do, whatever the equation which we had derived from the truth table, that should be further simplified or reduced, or we can say minimize, and get the simplified equation. And after, on the dependent of that simplifying equation, we can just draw the circuit, and that circuit will be easy to implement. And we can say that it is easy to implement since there are number of devices are less, right? It will be a simple circuit, right? And there are less chances of wrong connections, right? So that is what your simplification methods we are using, right? So now next is what here, which are the methods to simplify the Boolean equation. So actually there are 4 methods are there, or we can say minimization techniques are there. So which are they? So first method is your algebraic method. Second is your Karnaugh map method. Third is your Quinn-McCluskey method. Fourth is your variable entered mapping technique. So these are the 4 methods which is used for simplifying the Boolean equations. So algebraic method is the first method which we are used for simplifying the Boolean equation, right? So in algebraic method, what we have to do, we have to simplify that equations, Boolean equations, by using Boolean laws and De Morgan's theorems. So in previous lecture we had already seen what are Boolean laws and what are De Morgan's theorems. So there are number of Boolean laws and De Morgan's theorems are there. So by using that Boolean laws and De Morgan's theorems, we can just simplify the equation. But there are some disadvantages of this technique, algebraic method. What are the disadvantages? Since whatever the equation which we had simplified, we are not sure that the equation, that simplified equation can be further simplified or not, right? So that is the drawback of algebraic method. So to overcome the drawback of this algebraic method, just a new method was introduced, that is Karnaugh map method. It is a here what we can do here, just we are using tabular method or just matrix we are drawing, right? And here we will get directly the simplified equation. So here we don't have a equation without minimization form, right? So that is what your Karnaugh map method. Then next method is Quinn-McCluskey method, and last method is variable entered mapping method. So but among these four methods, these two methods are famous for simplifying the Boolean equations. So that is what your minimization techniques are, right? So in next lecture we are going to see algebraic method.